If your 2018 Toyota RAV4 is blowing warm air, don't sweat it. We are going to find the fix in under 3 minutes. Nearly half of all AC failures on this model year stem from low refrigerant levels caused by tiny leaks in the system. Before you spend hundreds at a shop, let's walk through the primary diagnostic sequence for your Toyota. Start with these simple checks to see if your compressor is actually turning on or if it is just an electrical issue. The magnetic clutch is a frequent failure point on the RAV4. Sometimes a simple relay swap is all you need. If your compressor is running but the air is still warm, your blend door actuator might be stuck on the heat setting. While you can handle fuses and filters, anything involving the refrigerant gas itself requires professional recovery equipment. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to a nearly $1,000 compressor replacement. You can bypass the relay to test the compressor clutch, but be extremely careful not to short out your electrical system. If you plan on doing your own AC work, a basic manifold gauge set is the most important tool you can own. Always start with the cheapest and easiest components first to avoid wasting money on parts you don't need. Check those relays and fuses first, and subscribe to your Tech Pal for more Toyota maintenance guides.